some of the very basic text-based functions in Excel. We'll start off with the right function, which is the simplest of them. Always start with an equal to sign. Type in right, open the bracket, and click the column you want it to work for. Close the bracket, and then you get the rightmost letter of the word you've picked. Now it has showed me the rightmost letter of all the words, and I only want it for one. I'll go up and undo it, and I'll get it for the first column only, first row only. The leftward function works in a very similar manner. You type in left, open the bracket, click the column you want, close the bracket, enter. Here M is the leftmost letter of the word male, and you have gotten clearly M word. Middle function is again a very crucial function when it comes to big paragraphs, big sentences, and you only want the middle section, middle word. You use this function. Type in mid. Okay, comma. Where do you want the middle section to start from? You'll have to pick that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I wanted to start from C, so I picked in 4. Then how many words you wanted to last for end? Okay. So CAS is the middlemost word, middlemost section of the word Caucasian, and I've gotten it clearly. Length function is used when you want to find the number of characters in a word. Suppose for manufacturing, I want to find how many letters are in this word. Click it, close the bracket, enter. Perfect. You can see there are 13 letters, characters in this word manufacturing. It makes your work very easy. Next up, we have trim function. It's used when you want to reduce the spaces, or you've typed in extra spaces accidentally and you want to reduce the spaces to a normal amount. You use this function. Okay, so I have purposely added 2 spaces in between the word manufacturing, and I want to turn it into 1 space only. In that case, I will close the bracket, put in the trim function and close the bracket. Boom. You only have 1 space between the word. Okay. This is very simple. Right now, it also based on the fact if the placement is centered or on the left hand side. Okay. Next up, we have the function that is the replace function. This is also extremely useful if you have a very big word and only want to change a part of it. This function comes in hand. You type in rep, you'll find the option of replace. Click it. I want to change this word Asian into astronaut. So next up, you'll have to mention from where you have to replace it. I want only the first 2 letters, that is AS. So I will type in 2. I want the 2 letters. Then I have to change the last 3 letters. You'll also have to type that 3. Then what do you want it to change into? Astronaut. I want astronaut. Close the bracket. Perfect. Okay. You get the idea. I think I've missed out one word, but this works perfectly fine. You can see these functions are very basic, but it comes in use for your everyday Excel life. It will make your work or your activities way easier.
Thank you. I hope this video was helpful.